Hidden among the grand homes of Detroit's historic Boston-Edison neighborhood is a Tudor masterpiece that most people have never heard of. It was built in 1913, when Detroit was the Silicon Valley of its time. Cars were the new tech, fortunes were exploding, and ambitious families competed to create houses that could stand for centuries. This is one of those houses. And today, we're stepping inside the Albert J. Dunneback House at 94 East Boston Boulevard, a property where every tile, timber, and fireplace tells a story of Detroit's golden age. Hey everyone, I'm Chris Hubble, and this is History Loves Company, where we uncover the stories behind the world's most fascinating historic homes. If you love architecture, hidden history, or dream of owning a piece of the past, hit subscribe and tap the bell so that you never miss an episode. Now let's open the door to a century of Detroit history. Standing here, you immediately notice the emerald green terracotta roof tiles, recently restored to their original 1913 splendor. Designed by the architectural firm Palmer and Ropes, this Tudor-inspired residence rises proudly on a 0.31-acre lot along East Boston Boulevard, a street lined with some of the most prestigious homes of the early automotive era. Albert J. Dunneback, a successful produce magnate, built this home as both a family residence and a declaration of his success in the booming Motor City. Through the heavy oak front door, original hardwood floors stretch across a gracious foyer. Carved moldings and century-old details draw you in, and you can almost hear the echoes of early 20th century soirees. This is where Dunneback would have welcomed Detroit's movers and shakers when the Model T was still brand new. Multiple fireplaces warmed these rooms through Detroit winters. Imagine guests gathering here in 1915, sipping cocktails as jazz quietly played. The formal dining room flows seamlessly into a sunroom, a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, just as ideal for a modern dinner party as it was for Dunneback's gatherings. The kitchen proves that a century-old house can keep pace with today. Granite countertops, updated cabinetry, and modern appliances bring convenience without disturbing the home's historic soul. Climbing the sweeping staircase, you find 6 spacious bedrooms and 3 full baths, plus a bright upper-level sunroom perfect for morning coffee. Original built-ins, vintage hardware, and generous windows keep the spirit of 1913 alive while offering plenty of space for a growing family or a creative studio. Below it all lies a full basement and one of the property's most unique features, a steel-doored safe room, a tangible reminder of Detroit's roaring years, when fortunes were made and every wealthy family protected its treasures. Out back, a deep yard and two-car detached garage, providing breathing room rare for an urban home. Whether you're envisioning a garden, outdoor entertaining space, or simply enjoying the quiet, the possibilities match the scale of the house itself. The Albert J. Dunneback House spans 4,423 square feet, offering 6 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. It's currently listed at $848,888, a remarkable price for a property of this size and pedigree in the heart of the Boston-Edison Historic District. Here you have the chance to own not just a home, but a story, to preserve a century of Detroit history while shaping its next chapter. Whether you imagine a grand private residence, a bed and breakfast, or an artist retreat, the canvas is here. This incredible property is presented by Jason Dabish of Broock Realtors. Huge thank you to Jason for sharing this one with the world. If this tour inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. because every week on History Loves Company, we uncover another historic home with a story that's worth telling. And if you're ready to walk these halls yourself, reach out to me directly to schedule a private tour of the Albert J. Dunneback House. Until next time, keep exploring, keep preserving, and remember, every home has a story. Let's discover yours.